Another day, another story. So this is Joyce in Taiwan, Tadja House. So for today's vlog, guys, I will show the beauty of Ulay. This place is located at New Taipei City, and the area of this is well known not only for its natural scenery but also for its Atayal indigenous culture. The name Olay comes from an Atayal word meaning hot and poisonous, and referring to the region natural hot springs which remain a popular attraction alongside the waterfalls. So this place is they have a lot of attraction, guys, like boating. So makita nyo dun sa taas mismo, meron din po silang boating, guys. Sobrang ganda na para kang nasa Vietnam. And meron din silang mga activities like archery. So, meron silang archery, and then, hindi ko nakuha na ng video. And then, they have also a cable car. And ayun na nga, meron din silang boating na andun po sa taas. So makita nyo dito ang lugar, mapuntahan nyo ang lugar kung makapunta ng Taiwan, ay very relaxing.